Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to protect Google Chrome passwords with Windows Hello on Windows 11 or 10 PC. On Windows PCs, you can use Windows Hello to lock down access to your Chrome passwords. When turned on, you will have to enter a PIN or use a biometric authentication method such as fingerprint or webcam before Chrome will fill in login form with your username and passwords. To enable this one feature, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select settings. Under Chrome settings, select this one option, autofill and passwords. Then click on this one Google Password Manager. In the Google Password Manager window, select settings in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find one option, use Windows Hello when filling passwords. By default, this remains turned off. Just toggle on this one switch to enable Windows Hello to protect your Google Chrome passwords. Windows may prompt you for PIN or password. Just enter this one. That will enable this one toggle switch